Corey Dutton. I'm a private money lender, and I'm talking to the flippers out there today in this video. The one thing that I want to make you guys aware of this year is the possibility that your buyer pool may shrink. And what do I mean by that? I mean all of the people that were qualified, that were out there looking for homes, is going to shrink down into a smaller number this year in 2020. And why? In this video, I'm going to explain to you the reasons why you need to be aware that your buyer pool may shrink this year. The number one reason is the availability of loans. A lot of loans have just gone away, and if they do come back, their lending requirements may be more strict. For example, jumbo loans. On loans over, on properties over $500,000, you need to check the jumbo loan lending limits in your county to see what those are. But if you're flipping a property and you're going to resell it at a price that's going to be in that jumbo loan range, you need to be aware that jumbo loans have gone away. When will they come back? It's up to you to find out. Check in with your local mortgage professionals every week and ask them about their jumbo loan products and if they're available. Another type of loan that's gone away is the non-qualified mortgages, the bank statement loans that have been available that a lot of your buyers have been using to buy properties. Those loans have gone away. Will they come back? Yes, they probably will, but the lending requirements will probably be more strict on those loans, so fewer people will be able to qualify. So that's another factor that might shrink your pool of eligible buyers, because they're not going to be able to get approved for these loans like they were before. The other lending issue is that the banks that are still lending, they're going to be stricter in their lending requirements, which means that they're going to raise their minimum credit score requirement, they're going to increase their down payment requirement, and then they're going to increase the amount of cash reserves that they want to see in your buyer's bank accounts before they're going to give them a loan. So you need to be aware of that as well, that could shrink your pool of eligible buyers, because they may not be able to comply with new lending requirements of the banks that are still lending. And then what about all the people that have gone unemployed in the last few weeks? Those people that were eligible to buy a home before may not be eligible now because they went into an unemployment status. And then what about the buyers that let their credit cards slip or let their boat payment slip over the last few weeks? That's going to affect their credit score as well. So those people that were out there looking for homes a few months ago, their credit may have taken a hit from all of this, and they may not be able to qualify like they were before. So those are a couple of other factors that you need to consider that could shrink your eligible buyer pool. And then finally, what about unemployment? Let's keep going on that. Some businesses will never reopen. And those businesses that do reopen aren't going to be hiring all their employees back. So you're going to have more people searching for a fewer number of jobs, right? And so that persistent unemployment could deter buyers from buying. They may decide to hold off in the next 6-12 months and not buy because they're worried about unemployment, or they may be unemployed. And then the buyers whose stock portfolios have been super hit hard by what's happened in the last few weeks, they may hold off on buying as well. So that's going to be another factor that may shrink your eligible buyer pool over the next 6 to 12 months. You guys, maybe I'm wrong. I don't have a crystal ball, but these are some of the things that I'm seeing that I want you flippers out there to be aware of, which is the factors that could influence your eligible buyer pool. Agree, disagree? Please leave your comments below. I'd love to have a discussion with you about this. If you need your deals funded this year in 2020, there's going to be a lot of opportunities. We're a hard money lender. Reach out to us. Thanks for watching.